stinks.
Nature stinks. Nature stinks. Nature.
Stinky.
Stinky nature. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being stinky helps some plants and animals
Stay.
alive.
Stinky.
Stinky,
Furry.
furry animal. This animal
Sprays.
spray a very stinky liquid
When
enemies get close. This animal
plays.
prays
Dead.
that if enemies get close, it also makes
Stinky.
stinky green slime. This animal
Shoots.
shoots a
Stinky.
stinky liquid at its
Enemies.
enemies. This animal
Makes.
makes
Stinky.
stinky liquid to keep other animals away. It also puts on food. It
Doesn't.
doesn't eat right away. The animal may
Keep.
keep
Other.
other animal away. The
Animal.
animal
Fights.
fights other animals. It uses
Stinky.
stinky
Pee.
pee to
Keep.
keep other away. Stinky birds. This bird is leaf.
Tiny.
Tiny living things in its body. Its
Way.
way of eating
Makes.
makes it
Smell.
smell bad. This bird is This bird is
Dead.
dead animal. It throws up when enemies get close. Its frosts smell very bad. Stinky bug. This bug smells a hot liquid.
Stinky.
Stinky liquid. When enemy get close, the liquid is so hot that can kill some animals.
Enemies.
This bug is too slow to run away. It makes a stinky liquid when enemies get close. Other stink animal. This turtle is
also,
also
called,
called leech pot. It smells bad when enemies get close. This frog smells like
rotten,
rotten onion when enemy get close. Good and stinky. Some animals smell bad. Some birds smell bad too. But stink how some plants and animals stay alive.